So welcome back, guys. So this is the next day, and basically I've just rinsed my hair with water. This is what I normally do before I do anything to my hair. So basically I'm going to make a section at the front, because I normally start at the front really. And then what I'm going to do is get the shampoo, as you can see. And basically I'm just going to take a small portion, you know, I don't know what it is, it's a dime size or 50p coin size. Just, you know, a little dollop in the middle of your hand, and you can see that, you know, it's not too runny, it's a nice consistency. You know, some shampoos I've used, it's so watery, you just waste it on the floor. So, you know, people, if you're going to make your own, you know, shampoos and stuff like that, please don't make your products too watery, because it just wastes away. So as you can see, I massaged this shampoo in my roots, and then I worked it down a little bit, you know. It's natural, there's no sulfates, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no paraffin, you know. So yeah, it smells like spearmint, you know, it's not too strong. And I could finger through my hair, but I wouldn't advise you to comb your hair with it. In this clip, I've just rinsed out the shampoo. Hair feels super clean. The spearmint smell isn't really present that much really. So I was happy with that, my hair just feels so clean. So about to use the conditioner. And definitely the conditioner feels quite smooth as well. I could definitely finger rake it through my hair. My hair was just soaking it up. Definitely I think it's got really good pH in it, because the hair felt so strapped, you know, like so clean and strapped, that definitely the conditioner just counteracts that sensation. It wasn't like a really bad strep sensation, it was just like a proper clean, because you know I don't use shampoos anyway. So this one definitely, it cleaned my hair, and the conditioner just soaking into my hair, and I was finger detangling. As you can see, this is at the end of my finger detangling, because I don't do this in the beginning. Okay, this is just a paddle brush test. I always test conditioners to see if like I can comb through. So I just did a little test patch here, and you can see that I started at the ends, as they always say for Afro hair, and then you just so slowly work your way up. So my hair is just, you know, the brush is just gliding through. So I was really happy with that. So at this point here, it's all rinsed out and naked, and I'm just showing you the products again. Shampoo in the black. So hi guys, hopefully you can see that my hair is clean, it's conditioned, it's detangled, and it's naked. I've got nothing on my hair, no oil, no cream, no nothing. Okay, just going to show you what my hair looks like after the system, okay? So this is my natural hair, my real hair. No stringy hair, no heat damage hair, no split ends hair. It's all healthy and natural. Thank you very much. I know what I'm doing. I don't need nobody's advice. I know what I'm doing. My hair's thick and healthy, wet. So yeah, this is my hair. And definitely, if you need a hair growth system, I think this one definitely works, because you know me, I've got Afro hair, African hair. And definitely this was very cleaning, you know, it cleaned very well, but you know I could still run my fingers through it. I wouldn't use a comb with this, but I could still run my fingers through it. Afterwards I put on this one, and this one was amazing. This actually smells like molten brown, you know, that high-end you know, like you get that hand soap and the conditioner in like nice hotels. It smells like the molten brown. So definitely this has the mint, the spearmint, not peppermint but spearmint smell, and this one has the molten brown. You finish off with this. This is a washout conditioner. Put it in for 5 minutes, or if you want a deep condition, deep treatment, you can use it for 15 minutes as recommended on a bottle, you know. I think it was in my hair for 25 minutes, because my hair's so thick, it took so long to get it all in all of my hair. So definitely you saw me paddle brush with this, so definitely it's got some slip if you want to do some detangling with a comb or a brush. So I recommend using the paddle brush with this. I didn't use a small tooth comb, I ain't got time for that. So yeah, I'm really happy that I tried these. You know, it's a therapeutic line. I probably wouldn't use a shampoo more than twice a week. I'd probably use it once a week, possibly twice a week, because it is quite stripping. But you know, it's got all the good ingredients and all that. So maybe twice a week I would use this. But definitely I'd probably try and use this like 3 times a week. You know, So probably going to have to buy this times 2 and buy this once, because this will go less than this, you know, co-washing and all that. So definitely it's a natural brand, it's a UK brand. It's a family-owned business, you know, so you know it's a growth, you know, it's a growth system. So if you don't need help with your hair growth, you know, if you didn't have whatever chemotherapy, you know, there's testimonies online, people that had chemotherapy and this line grew back their hair. You know, possibly if you've got alopecia, this may help you. So you know, my hair grows slow, so this better help me, you know. So you know, in like 3-6 months I'll come back and I'll show you like what my afro looks like when I've washed and go. Like this is a wash and go. So maybe in 6 months when I come back, when I do the same thing, maybe this will look a bit bigger the next time. So I'm going to definitely be incorporating these in my regimen, because I don't really have a growth shampoo or a growth wash out conditioner. So yeah, these were missing in my growth saga, you know, that I'm going through right now. I've got, you know, growth oil, I've got a growth spray, I don't have a growth shampoo, and I don't have a growth conditioner, so this is it.